Welcome to English for Newbies.
Let's start this exciting learning journey together.
Look at the calendar. Do you know what today is? It's a very special day, the first day of school.
My little ones are growing up so fast. First day of school. I hope they have the most beautiful day. Books packed neatly. Pencils. Handkerchief. Yes, everything is in place.
Good morning, Emily. Carefully.
Good morning. You woke up early today.
I smelled your delicious breakfast.
Oh, really? Then you should thank the chef.
Thank you, Chef Emily.
By the way, today is the first day of school for the kids.
Oh, wow. Then we must prepare for the great morning mission.
Yes, Captain. Your first task, wake up the sleepy soldiers.
Ready for action.
David, what are you doing?
Marching off to conquer the day.
Have a good day.
Wake up, everyone. School time.
I'm up! Come on, Teddy, let's go! Adventure time!
Smells like a school morning. Time to wake the kids. Knock, knock. Rise and shine, Sleeping Beauty.
5 more minutes, please.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! The rooster says it's time!
Dad, too loud. Dad, I'm so sleepy.
Look at the sunshine, sweetheart. It's a beautiful day.
I don't want to go to school today.
Oh, sweetheart, what happened?
The holidays were so much fun. I want to stay home with you and Mom.
I know, Pumpkin. Holidays are special, but school is special too.
Really?
Yes, you'll meet your friends again. You can tell them your holiday stories, and you'll learn exciting new things every day.
But I feel a little scared.
It's okay to feel nervous on the first day. Remember last year? You were brave. And when you came home, you had the biggest smile.
Yes.
My brave girl can do it again. I'll drop you at school myself.
Okay, Daddy.
And when you come back, we'll celebrate with your favorite ice cream. Promise? Promise.
Okay, Dad, I'll go to school.
That's my brave girl!
Okay, Dad, I'm going. I'm awake!
Well done, Dad. Mission Wake Up the Kids? Successful! Early morning superhero reporting for duty. Parenting skills unlocked.
Where's my toothbrush? It's right there, Yuri, next to the sink. Oh, I see it now. Thanks. You're welcome. Now we can brush together. Oops, too much toothpaste. Slowly, Yuri. Just a little is enough. Gentle, Yuri. Watch me. Brush up and down, round and round. Don't forget the back teeth. Okay, I'm watching. Round and round we go. Thank you, Olivia. Rinse and spit. That was fun. Yes! Now we are fresh and clean. Kids, come to the hallway. Okay, Mom, let's go.
Here are your uniforms. The summer was too short. I am not ready for school.
I want to go to the beach again. I know! I want more holidays too!
I understand how you feel. Holidays are always exciting, but we cannot stay on vacation forever.
Okay.
Olivia, here is your uniform. It is clean and ready.
Thank you, Mom. It looks nice.
Yurii, this is your uniform. First, go and take a bath, then get dressed.
Okay, Mom. I will take a bath and get ready. Ready for school?
Look at me! I am very fast. I can get ready quickly. All done, I am ready for school.
Wow, you're fast. Wait, Yurii, look at your shirt carefully.
Huh? What is wrong? It looks fine to me.
One side is longer than the other. You missed a button. Stand still. Let me help you fix it.
Okay, thanks, Olivia. Here's my tie.
All right, let's do this.
Thank you, Olivia. You are the best sister.
Look at this! A big, delicious pancake just for you! Wow, it looks so soft and tasty!
Can I have one, Dad? I am very hungry.
Of course! Sit down and enjoy your breakfast.
This is so yummy. Yes, this is the best pancake ever.
Thank you! Eat well. You need energy for school. Finish your breakfast quickly. It's time for school.
Oh no, we are getting late. Yes, the school bus will arrive soon. Let's go, Mom and Dad.
It's a nice morning. The weather feels good.
Yes, I feel excited for school today.
That's great! Learning new things is always fun.
And you can meet your friends again.
I want to tell my friends about my holidays.
Me too. I have so many stories to share.
Look, the bus is coming!
All right, kids, be careful and have a great day.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
Yes, and the trees look so beautiful in the morning.
I feel a little excited and a little nervous too.
That's okay. I feel the same.
We are almost there. The school is very close.
Hey, Yurii, Olivia, over here.